Hey. What are you doing? Knock this fucking tower over.
Come in.
Howdy.
What do you want?
A dip.
Pull the fucking chair over.
Cause this a fucking chair. Mind you, folks, I'm 6'2", 380. Big slump.
You shit yourself? Is that one thing?
Woo!
Yeah, it got. Welcome everybody, it's the other Outlaw, and today I have with me the Iron Jon Riggs.
Howdy.
What? You know there's a price to pay to be on my channel, or my show. You know what? I was thinking, I'm not going to make you do a full cat of most of these guys. I'm going to do a whole thing of this twist. Roll, fold. You gotta do the whole damn thing.
What's the backer?
I'm fine. Dry as fuck.
Kinda I like.
And for me today, I do that. He's gonna give us a slight review on that. I'm gonna do something I ain't done. Some I hate is fruit dips, but we're doing just a little bit of kayak grate. Crack it open. Can't fuck this up.
Fucking dog turd.
Hold on.
Presentation? Fucking shit. Like a backwoods. Got any weed?
Yeah.
Cool children. Don't do drugs. Unless they're free.
Of course.
Take a bite. If you ain't got one.
Try a bit of grate. Oh man, I'm not gonna make that shit.
Great.
Okay. That's your episode.
Chair's kinda buoyant.
Alright.
Whatever the fuck you call it. Like Mamba looking motherfucker.
Hey, hold on. Put it in like you're taking a dick.
A dick? Demonstrate? I'd rather do a full can or something than chew on this dog shit.
Yeah, choice. That. Or I was saying for another show, a little bit of Kayak Wintergreen.
Green.
What do you want?
That's awful.
I tried.
Brown paper bag.
That's how dry, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, You need 3 crucial things to do a full can. Number one, bottle of water. Number 2, garbage can. Ladies and gentlemen, y'all know the most biggest tool y'all need to doing a full can. And that's a big
nuts.
I gotta fuck this up for me, dude.
I got him.
Guys, as y'all know, the full can it is uncracked. And he's gonna do a full can on it. As y'all know, y'all seen my full can videos. I like damn chipmunk. This boy here got a big pretty mouth, so probably just. Alright, you ready? You know what? To make it even funner, I'll put you up to a time limit.
4.
How? Never mind.
Bear with me.
How's it cut?
Kind of dry.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Jesus Christ. Trying to do a full can.
SSW. Pulling on my phone. Ladies and gentlemen, as he's doing that, I hope y'all seen the last SSW event, Locked and Loaded. Me and this big, beautiful man went toe to toe. He beat my ass, and it's been about, what, a week? Something like that. And I'm still sore as shit. Threw me around like a little rag doll. It's me, I'm not a small guy. I mean, you look, I got a little bit of pudge. I'm 200 pounds flat. This guy's what? 350?
Give or take.
Give or take. You can talk with it, I can't. You got it all on the bottom lip too, huh?
What do you call it? Little add-on.
Killer filler.
Mmm.
That's all of it. Put it up closely. Oh, look. Scrape all that little shit out.
Oh. Yeah.
Clean it. Kind of like clean that bowl of gumbo earlier. Y'all never seen anybody eat so much. There we go. Clean. Damn it, son. Put the lid. Ah, there it is. How's it taste? Not bad.
It's definitely a good budget. Yep.
Alright, get close to the camera. Show the people, you just had it in your bottom lip.
Get a little on there.
What the hell? Damn. Now, when I put one in, I don't really show it much because I put it in my bottom jaw. Other times you'll see if I put it up here. I'll tell you what, when I put a full can in, I'm just full mouth. Feel like Catholic school all over again. Nah, dude. You know, my show, we use people we're not sponsored by. That's my joke. It's clean, by the way.
Bullshit.
It is, I promise. It's been clean that well.
Is there something in my teeth?
But guys, I know I haven't posted a video in a while. I actually recorded it. I just been editing them. I just been lazy as hell. But let's get down to I went ahead and put the little kayak grape in. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Y'all know I'm not a fruit fan. I don't like fruit dips at all. I mean, It honestly does not taste like grape to me. It honestly tastes like skullberry. I hate skullberry. How's that wintergreen taste? What's your full flavor intake on it?
It ain't Copenhagen.
It ain't Copenhagen, huh? Don't say that though, because like Copenhagen, like apparently doing a big thing to YouTubers now. So, are you gagging? Oh, I've never seen you gag.
Oh, really?
You want to take that bad boy out, or you want to keep it in? It's up to you. I mean, you can take like enough out to where you just have a pinch in.
Half a dip. What's the good dip?
Any nicotine buzz going on?
Not 10 years.
For 10 years, yeah. But the news. Y'all know I gotta put on every video. Nerds versus Patches #3, and they are going to be doing the Siberia. The Red Can extremely strong. If y'all seen the Nerds Try Patches videos, especially the second one, the reaction just to normal, like small amounts that the US gets or sells, they're gonna be pretty fucked up.
Amateurs.
This man here, he ain't had a buzz in 10 years. Well, guess what? I put money on it.
How much?
$50. You get a nicotine buzz.
Yeah.
This man is gonna be doing probably the dumbest or probably the bravest things.
Dumbest.
He is going to do a full can of Siberia. I'm not doing it because I'm too big of a pansy. But, I mean, there's a reason why I would call this guy brains.
No.
But, anything you want to say? Big?
Don't dip a full can.
Especially company, that shit's expensive. And there's $6 a can down here. I hate to see how it is up north.
No tell 'em.
Yeah. But, y'all be seeing this guy again very soon. Y'all saw him on the video where I did my little vlog. Hope y'all enjoy that. But, as I always do, there's a little subscribe deal right here. Got my little face on it, you know. Y'all know how pretty I am. I gotta have pictures and all that. It's subscribe. Click that button. Click the little bell. You'll see every time I put something up. And another thing, if y'all ain't liked it, you know what? I'm gonna take Tyson's thing. It takes it from everybody. Smash that like button. And piss the dogs off. But that's me. I'm out of here. The Iron Jon Riggs. I'll catch you on the next one.